This is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to go for the Wi-Fi settings page. The quickest and the most universal way to do that is by swiping downwards from the status bar or from the top part of your screen in order for the identification and control center to be launched. Then locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so. Long press on it. In here, choose what particular network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to, so this one. Then tap on it. And in here, you gotta somehow find the share icon. Oh, ready, yeah. Do not tap on this information icon or this little I letter that is circled out. Just tap at the body of the Wi-Fi network like so. And as you can see, it will provide you with the QR code that you can scan by any other device in order to get the mentioned device to automatically connect to the network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.